My name is Tim Nelson. I'm the QHSE manager here in Murray, Kentucky. QHSE is the quality, safety, health, and environmental. Some days we may be heavy on the safety stuff. Some days we're heavy on the quality. Depends on product mix that we're running. But I've got a quality team that handles all the daily checks and the routine checks. I got a team very capable of taking care of everything we need to do here. And then they also will cross over into the safety side, perform audits for us and do those types of things. We've got a good test and inspection plan where we're testing on a regular basis. We have positive results. We show good trend lines. Statistical data will show we build a good bottle, but we don't stop there. We're constantly looking for the next thing, right? We're test running inline measurement systems to where we don't have to pull bottles off and take them to quality to be checked. They're being checked as they're being run. When you're doing that, now you go from a quality control mindset to a quality assurance. They're 100% being checked and verified right there. We're always looking at that. We're looking at the next step for safety and environmental. We take that approach on everything. Continuous improvement is in the blood here. So we're constantly looking, what's the next step?